make crumpets. Grab a pan, grab 400 ml of milk, add 100 ml of water, and then gently heat that up. Get a jug, add a tablespoon of dried yeast, add a teaspoon of sugar, pour your warm milk mixture over the top, give it a quick stir, and leave that for 15 minutes. Grab a bowl, grab a whisk, add 300 grams of flour, add a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Sift those, add your milk, which should have a nice layer of foam on the top, and then whisk to make a nice batter. And then we're going to wrap it in cling film, and we're going to leave this somewhere warm for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you should have a batter that looks like this. It's expanded in size, there's some bubbles on top. Next, grab a pan, grab 3 rings, put it on a medium-high heat, wait for it to get nice and warm. Then brush with some oil. And then to each ring, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of batter. And they're going to cook for about 4 minutes on that side. After 4 minutes, you should have little bubbles on top that have burst. Then you just remove the rings, run a knife around them with a stick, flip them over, and then cook for a minute on that side. After a minute on that side, you have nice crumpets. Transfer them to a wire rack, and then repeat the process with the rest of the batter. There you go, crumpets.